Read, think, digest, and make it an integral part of your life. Welcome to my channel, Pustak Parichay. Today, I am going to tell you story from Sham's mother book. You are not old by age, but by mind. When Sham returned from home to Dapoli, Sham had decided something in his mind. When he was at home, one day Sham's little brother was adamant about buying a new shirt. Sham's mother tried to convince him, when your Dada and Anna grow up, they will start working and earning. They will buy you a new shirt. Sham's brother's shirt was torn. Sham thought he should carry a new shirt for him when he visits him in next vacation. Sham's father would visit Dapoli frequently for his work. Whenever he would go to see him and give him 1 or 2 annas as pocket money. There were 3 months for the festival of Ganesh. Sham thought of collecting the pocket money till then and buy a nice coat for his younger brother. Sham had an aim. Till then, Sham had collection of 1 rupees and 2 annas. Sham went to the tailor with a boy of his brother's age. Sham carried the coat in his hand. Sham was ready to leave for home. And at the same time, rain started pouring. The guardian asked him not to go in heavy rain because the river gets flood in heavy rains. Sham was not in a mood to listen. A flood of love was overflowing in his heart. At last, Sham reached home fully wet. Why you have to come in this heavy rain? Mother said in worried voice. Go and change your clothes. Take a hot water bath. Mother said. Sham went to take a bath. Younger brother opened his bundle of cloth. He found the coat. It was not just a coat, but Sham's heart and love. It was mother's teaching. Mother, look at this coat. Is it for me? Tell me, mother. He started asking mother. Mother asked, Sham, whose coat is this? I got it stitched for Purushottam, Sham replied. Where did you get money for this? Have you taken loan or spent the money given to pay school fees? Father asked. Have you stolen money from anyone? Mother asked suspiciously. I have not stolen nor have taken loan. I have not used the money for school fees. Bhau, I have saved the pocket money which you gave me since last 3 months. I got this stitched, Sham said. When mother heard the story behind the new coat, she was full of emotions. Sham, you are not old by years, you are not wealthy, you are not well qualified and educated, but you have a big and kind heart. Today, you have proved that you have grown up. Keep it up. Father patted on his back. Shall I apply kumkum on it? Purushottam was eager to bear the coat. Child, keep it away right now. You wear it tomorrow when you pray to Ganesh idol. Mother suggested. From this story, we understand that sacrifice is real love. Thank you.